Okay children, we have to start question number 6 today, exercise 11.2. I am reading the question. I have already made the diagram. You have to make this diagram in your copies. DL and BM are the heights on sides AB and AD. Here, AB is the side where DL is the height. So, if ABCD is a parallelogram, very simple. This is a parallelogram. So, AB is the base, then DL is the height. Correct? Okay? For finding the area, because we know that the area of a parallelogram is base into height. And how to remember it? How to remember it? You cut this part and you join it here. It becomes a rectangle where the area becomes length into breadth. The length is given by this height, correct? And the breadth is given by the base. Or you can take anything. Length can be this base and breadth can be the height. Okay? Also, coming back to this diagram, if BM is the height on the side AD, then AD becomes the base. Okay? Now children, this is the parallelogram ABCD where its area is given. Okay? Area is given. And also I think the two sides are given. That is AB is given, AB is given and AD is given. Okay? Area is given. The two bases are given. We have to find the two heights. Okay? The two heights. Now, the area is given from the formula base into height. When we take the base as AB, the height becomes DL. We find the value of DL. And again, taking the area of the same parallelogram, we take the base AD. At that time, the height becomes BL. Okay? And then that's how we get the values of DL and BM. Okay? So, let's start. I haven't read the question for you all. I'm going to read the question. DL and BM are the heights on the sides AB and AD. AB and AD. Okay? And DL and BM the heights. If the area of the parallelogram is 1470 centimeters square, the area is given, and AB is equal to 35 centimeters and AD is equal to 49 centimeters. Find the length of BM. Find the length of BM, that is the height when the base is AD. Okay, and also find the length of DL again the height when the base is AD. Okay, so using the formula for the area, we are going to find the heights, that is the length of BM and DL. Okay, so let's start. What is given, that we write first. What is given? The lengths, the two lengths are given, that is. So you can write here given AB is equal to and AD is equal to. How much is AB? AB is 35 centimeters children. 35 centimeters and AD is 49 centimeters. Okay. Also area is given. ABCD, which is equal to 1470 centimeters square. Let me check once. 1470. Correct. Also we know the formula. Base into height is equal to 1470 centimeters square. Now what is the base? Taking base as AD. When base is AD. Okay, so we write that. When base is AD. Then is equal to 1470 centimeter square. Now how much is AD? We have written here. AD is 49. So 49 into BM is equal to 1470 centimeter square. This is also centimeter. Now this 49 shifts side. It's in multiplication. It becomes division. Okay, it is in multiplication. It becomes division. So BM is equal to 1470 by 49. This is centimeter square and this is centimeter. Centimeter and centimeter gets cancelled. So from 2 centimeters, 1 centimeter gets cancelled. Okay. Now both are divisible by 7, as I can see. This is 1470 and this is 49. So 7 7s are 49. Let me take a piece of chalk. Children, final exam will be subjective, okay? I am telling you beforehand. So, please study. When base is AB, then base into height, that is AB into what was the height? This was AB and this was DL. DL is equal to 1470 centimeters square. Now, what is AB? How much was AB? AB was 35 centimeters into DL is equal to 1470 centimeter square. 35 will shift that side. Okay. So, DL is equal to 1470 divided by 35 centimeter square. 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter gets cancelled. Both will go by. This is 7 5s and this was 210. Directly I am writing 210. Okay. Now 5 and 210 will get cancelled. 5 1s are 5, 4s are 20 and 5 2s are, I have to go with 42 centimeters. So the value of DL is 42 centimeters. This completes question number which one, children? 6, no? Now we will start 7. Let's start 7. Triangle ABC is a right angled triangle which is angled at A, right angled at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. If AB 5 centimeters. Let me make it up. So this is a right triangle. Okay. Right angled at A. Start. Triangle ABC is right angled at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, so this also can be the height and this also can be the height. So when you take this as height, this becomes the base. When you take this as height, this becomes the base. Yes, for the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle is given by half base into height. Half base into height, why? Because triangle is half of parallelogram and the area of parallelogram is given by base into height. So the area of triangle will be given by half base into height. So if the area, find the area of triangle ABC, also find the length of AD. So we have to find the area of triangle ABC, also we have to find the length of AD. So first let's find the area of triangle ABC when the height is AC and base is A. Okay, let's start. So whatever is given that we write first. Given AB which is equal to 5 centimeters, AC which is equal to 12 centimeters. If you want, you can write here base and height. And also what is given? BC which is equal to 13 centimeters. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half base into height, which is equal to half into what is the base? Base is 5, that is AB, and height is AC. How can we take height as AC, children? What is the height? Perpendicular? Yes. And what is AD? Triangle ABC is a right angled triangle which is right angled at A. That means this AC is a perpendicular. Correct? That's why we can take this AC as height also. Okay. So now half into what is AB? AB is 5 and what is AC? AC is 12. 2 ones are centimeter and centimeter. Children, please put 2 and 12 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 6 are now 5 into 6 gives us 30 centimeter square. Now we know the area of this triangle ABC which is equal to 30 centimeter square. Now come back to the question. Question is asking find the length of AD. Now AD is what? AD is also the height, correct? And this can be taken as base. So from the formula of area we find out the value of AD putting BC as base and AD as height. Okay, so let's do this. So area it came out to be 30 centimeters square, which is actually half into base into height is equal to 30 centimeter square. Now base BC can also be taken as base and height AD is equal to 30 centimeter square. 30 shifts that side, it becomes in division, and 2 shifts that side, it becomes in multiplication. So AD is equal to 30 centimeter square into 2 by 13 centimeter. Centimeter and centimeter gets cancelled. What is left? 30 into 2 by 13. 32 gives us 60 and by 13 and 1 centimeter. So either you bring it, you divide and you bring it in decimal, okay, the length of AD, or you can write this also. The length of AD is equal to 60 by 13 centimeters, okay. So this completes question number 7. Now we start with question number 8. Let's start question number 8. Triangle ABC is isosceles with AB is equal to AC is equal to 7.5 centimeters. Diagram is there. Let me make the diagram. So this is 7.5. This is A. This is B. This is C. This is D. This is somewhere here. So there are two heights, you can see. This is E. This is 7.5. This is 7.5. This is 6 centimeters. I don't know which one is 6 centimeters, whether it is CE or AD. And BC is 9 centimeters. BC is 9 centimeters. The height of AD from A to BC, the height of AD is given. Height is given 6 centimeters, children. Find the area of triangle ABC. So from this base and height we get the area, okay, and what will be the height from C to AB, and you have to find the length of CE. Same way, again we take this as base and this as height, and whatever area which we have found from here, that gives us the answer. Okay, so let's start. Question number 8 is just like question number 7. So let's start now. Whatever is given, we'll write that. Given BC is equal to 9 centimeter, base AD is equal to 6 centimeter. You can write height. Then AB is equal to 7.5 AB, and this can also be taken as base when we take CE as height, okay, and what is given? AC is equal to 7.5 centimeters. This much is given. Now we have to find the area. So the area of triangle ABC is half base into height, correct? So wherever base and height both are given, that we take as base and height, that is 9 and 6. So we take this half into base into height. So half, what is the base? 9. What is the height? 6. No, yes, 6. Now 2 and 6 gets cancelled. 3, 9 3s are 2 and completes the area of triangle ABC. Now we have to find what? We have to find CE. Okay, length of CE. So now again we take this as height and this as base, and we know the area. From the formula of area we get the height. Okay, that is the length of CE. So area we found as 27 centimeters square. That is now the base is AB and the height is what is asked? CE. It is division, it becomes multiplication. 7.5 is multiplication, it becomes division. Let's complete it. So CE is equal to 27 centimeters square into 2 whole by 7.5 centimeter. Centimeter and centimeter gets cancelled. This decimal shifts, I mean to say, you can say it shifts this side, okay, and we put a 10 over here. So let's do that. Both are divisible by 3. Only 3. 3 nines are 27 and 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 25 has come. Then 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Okay, so now 9 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 9s are 36. So it is 36 by 5. If you want, you can further divide and bring the answer in decimal 5. 7 are 35. 2s are 10. So answer is 7.2 centimeters. Okay. Either you write 36 by 5 as your answer or you write 7.2 as your answer. Both the answers will be correct. Okay. So this completes the exercise. Children, tomorrow we will start with a new topic.